Hello everyone, I hope you are all having a fantastic day and Happy New Year to everyone, even if it is lated Happy New Year, but I hope you all having a great time with your family and friends. And thank you for everyone who has been asking about me and about my health due to some flu, or I don't know if it was COVID. I got sick for some time, so I was getting a recovery and the support is kinda got a little bit slowed down. So I'm sorry for everyone who has been waiting for videos and support. I will try to do my best to support and answer everyone. So today's video is another review as usual. It is for advanced Swiss scalper for MT4. Now this EA is a trend scalper, so it means it will trade and open some pending order depending on the trend and following. So this EA, unlike others, it only work on 3 pairs, so it is limited to 3 pairs. It will not work on all the Forex major pair, and the time frame is 15 minutes, which is amazing, but the average holding time is from 7 to 8 hours, so this might be a little bit problematic. And for the recommended broker, it is very important you use ECN account, whether it is from IC Market, Tickmill, any broker you have trust and believe that it is reliable, you can use it. And the EA does not use any martingale or any grid type. Each trade has stop loss and take profit. It also uses trailing stop loss, which is very amazing. So we can see on the advanced Swiss scalper we have 74 purchases per month, so the EA is currently trending and many people are purchasing it for almost 300 USD, and the star and rating is very good. We have 5 star. This is the first time I ever see an EA on MQL5 that have 5 stars, so very amazing. You can see he does not explain too much of information, however we can be sure that this EA does not use martingale or multiplier, and it is following trend. So whenever we have a trend, whether it is up or it is down, it will scalp the market. It is very important to know that this EA have news filter, so it will stop EA before high impact news, which is very amazing, and scalping mode to stop in some cases, so it is good whenever the market changes. This EA is actually very good for the smaller account. So many people, for example, asking me what we can use for 200 USD account or maybe 100 USD. It's okay if even if you have 100 USD, this EA is gonna be suitable for you. So at this one chart setup, you only put it on Euro US dollar 15-minute time frame, and it will automatically trade all 3 pairs. For installation, I will have put information into the text file, so whenever you purchase it you will get all the information. And you can see this is EA setup for all this 3 pair 15 minutes, and he claimed that from test of 2008 it has survived all these market volatility and made profit. So let us see the back test of this EA. I am not sure why he doesn't have it, why he didn't have a back test result, but we have a live result, so we will see. For the reviews, we have many positive reviews for this EA. I believe they are real, and the EA or the creator actually is supportive, which is very important. So we have the live result. You can see the maximum drawdown is only 90% and he made 138% profit. Very amazing. The profit factor is very high, 81%, and losing rate is 90. Now why the drawdown might be 20%? Well, because he have very low deposit. I believe if you deposit 500 USD, the drawdown probably will reduce to 10%, which will be safer. So whenever you have a smaller account and you expect to have a lot of profit, this will be the cost of the drawdown. So you can see the profit he made 215 USD, which mean by 2x he made profit, and the reliability is 4 star for this signal that using this EA, and it is live result, so it's amazing really. One thing I have problem with is only the average holding time. I wish it was like 2 hours or maybe 3, but it is 8 hours, so any EA, as we said, will have advantage and disadvantage. However, for the result you can see it is absolutely amazing. Each month he made, for September this was probably the lowest one, he made 5%, October 13, November 38, December 19, and January of this year he made 4%. So he's making a lot of profit in amazing way, but we don't know if it's going to be the same for the next year or for the ongoing year. So I hope this EA will continue this amazing performance. and many people can benefit from it. For the drawdown, you can see the average is 10% or 8, but the peak it has been over 20%. As I explained, deposit of this signal is very low, so that's problem. One thing you might notice, you have this green line is getting out of the block. This happened because of the drawdown. Maybe the EA uses stop loss, but the stop loss is a little bit high. So what will happen, he will wait until the price pull back to a certain point and it will close and probably break even or close in some losses. So that's why we have this chart looking like this. And you can see we have take profit and the EA only open pending order, so this is very good for the spread problem. You can see the volume is 0.01 and we have stop loss, take profit, but it closes with trailing stop loss, which is amazing. The TP profit has been hit, and we have some losing trade, break even. You can see the losing trade as well. So as I said, this is the case where the EA waits for the price to return to a certain point and then it will close it. So that's why this happened. For the statistic, you can see from 364 trades, very large. We have very good data and the profit factor is 81, very high accuracy. The average profit is kinda equal to the average loss, so return to risk ratio is also very good. It is like equal, but only disadvantage we have is the average holding time. And you can see you can expect to have wins over 19 trades, so you can have a streak of wins and only 4 losses, so this is very good. The monthly growth or the average monthly profit, you can expect to have 10% and maybe more, 10 to 20 I would say, and the annual forecast is over 100%, so this is absolutely astonishing. Only uses 3 symbols, these are recommended, so please only use these. And for the risk, you can see buy equity, so that's what I mean by equity. It means the trade are kept open until it hit the maximum stop loss and all the price it will go back to a certain point, so that's why the drawdown will be higher by equity. And also it is very important that you enter this URL and links into this web request, so the EA work and getting information from the server, and then you load the EA into the chart and make sure everything is checked. For the input, you don't want to change anything except maybe you want to change the order, comment, and the load size. So for the load size, you can use auto load size or maybe a fixed load size. I would recommend that for each 200 USD you can use 0.01 load size. I think this will be the optimal and the safest. For all the other parameter and setting, let it in default, no problem. Click on OK and you can see we have the smiley face, so the EA is going to work and it will also download the news. It is very amazing, and also it gives you the knowledge of the session, of which Forex session currently in, and it gives you all the information and stuff like that. So for this EA, my conclusion, we have live result. EA does not use martingale or any grid type, which is amazing, and it is scalping the trend, very advanced. However, we have some problem with average holding time, which kind of hold the trade for a little bit longer, and we don't have much data, to be honest, because we need at least from 6 to 1 year information to be absolutely sure. So for this EA, I will give it 4 star out of 5. I think this is the fair for this EA, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And sorry for my voice, it's a little bit noisy and it is not clear. This because I'm still recovering and my voice is, is not covered yet. So I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching.